Boom. All right, what's up, you guys? It's Royce Jacob. Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I want to talk to you about how you can make money while the stock market crashes by buying specific stocks. All right, there's always a bull market somewhere, even if that bull market requires you to be a bit of a bear. I know a lot of you like to be bulls. It's funner to be a bull. I know a lot of you have fundamental conviction around many of the stocks and companies that you love within the markets, but the reality is things don't go up forever, you guys. There are going to be corrections across the market. We've been seeing it in growth sectors, and now we're seeing it in the S&P 500, in the Nasdaq 100, the equity indices. And I do feel it's my responsibility, not only to myself, to my net worth, but to you guys as well, to show you where I currently see money-making opportunities, because sometimes being a bear is a lot more lucrative than being a bull, and I want the Waves fam to be making money. All right, so let's just get straight into this one, you guys. In front of us, something you haven't seen in quite a while that I'm glad to bring back. I do have my Robinhood account mirrored right here. A little scrolly. Not going to show you guys my current account balance because it's way more embarrassing than it was a year ago when it was at like $1 million, but we'll talk about that another day. Regardless, I want to share this with you to preface the video because this is the perfect example of what we're going to be talking about today. Okay, this is a trade that I made. I'm recording this on Thursday, January 20th. The market just kicked off the day really green, and then over the course of the day, it fell off of a cliff. And while it was up, while it was in the green, this play by the name of UVXY. This is an ultra leveraged ETF on the VIX. That's this right here. You can see the S&P on the watches. You can see right here on my right where I'm waving my cursor. The SPY, the S&P 500 closed the day down 1%, over 1%. The triple Qs, the Nasdaq down 1.3%, but the VIX is up 7.3%. And UVXY is an ETF of the VIX that's even greater than VIXY, which is the regular ETF that tracks the VIX, okay? So UVXY is a pretty bold play, but that is the play you want to pick up if you want to short the market, and that's exactly what I did today. Scroll down here. I'll show you guys this little position. Do I wish I picked up more of a position? I absolutely do, but hey, it's okay because I timed this one really well, and I'm happy that I got it out in time. Let me know if you guys are part of the newsletter portfolio group if you guys caught this one. Look forward to seeing that in the comments downstairs. I'm excited to see if any of you, I hope to see, I guess, if any of you caught on to this one. But timed it beautifully. Average cost at $2.02. This is a call, but you guys, I'm showing you guys a call right now because this provided an amazing short-term return. But if you want to play just shares, you can do the exact same thing. If you just look up UVXY, if you look up VIXY, VIXY, you can play the VIX with just shares. I have large share positions in these as well that absolutely crushed it today, okay? So just keep that in mind. I'm just showing you a call for the purpose of this video and to bring Robinhood back on the iPhone for a little bit, okay? So anyway, today's return, I bought, once again, average purchase price, you can see right there of $2.02. Bought it right here. Again, the market was up. The market was doing well, but if you guys have watched my last couple of videos, I've been very bearish on the equity markets. I have this set in my mind. I'm a technical trader, therefore I'm sticking to my guns, and it really paid off today because I bought it here, and over the course of the day you can see that it went from $2.02 to $3.08 at the end of the day. And also UVXY is up pretty significantly in after hours, so I trust this will return beautifully over the next week or so, because that is ultimately how long I think this short-term correction is going to last, okay? But you can see since I made that trade, it's probably one of the better day trades I've ever made. I don't day trade much, you guys know that, but I mean, up $2,600. I put 5K in again. Wish I put in more. It's all 2020 in retrospect. Just took on a little trade here, but $2,650, $2,700, up 52% in the span of the day, just as the market took a tumble in the later hours of trading, okay? So again, you guys, that's just an example. We can actually close this out right now. Let's close that app. So we can close that out right now. Just wanted to show you guys that, show you an example, because again, it's been a while since I did that, and I thought this would be the perfect video to do so. But now I want to talk to you guys about a few other names before diving into the charts. Okay, so we'll go to scroll down to the very bottom of the watch list. UVXY is the one I just showed you. Again, up 6.4% today while the markets crashed. SQQ, SPXU, these are short ETFs that short the Nasdaq, that's short the S&P. And when those go up, again, you can just buy shares with these. When the markets go down, these go up. That's why they all close the day green while the markets close red. Okay, so scroll back to the top, and we can take a quick look at the S&P, at the Nasdaq on the charts. And I want to talk to you guys about why now I'm even more bearish than I was when I made the bearish video a couple days ago covering the equity markets. Okay, so before I do that, you guys, please give the video a like. Let me, I mean, I know, again, you guys, it's fun to be a bull. It sucks when we're in bearish environments, but a like would mean a lot if you guys appreciate me at least trying to make you guys some money. If you just want to hold your positions, if you just want to hold for the long term, that's a lot of times the way better road to go. Most people don't have the time to just stare at charts all day and worry themselves over the market. It's also bad for your emotional health as well. So you guys, a lot of times just buying the dips. If you have fundamental long-term conviction, just buy the dips. Dollar cost average. That's again, a lot of times the smarter thing to do. Warren Buffett. It's not timing the market. It's time in the market. So that's perfectly fine as well. I have nothing against that, but again, as a trader, it's my responsibility to try to optimize my gains as much as possible, and I want to share that with you guys as well. So if you appreciate that, give it a like. I also want to let you guys know that I will be gone a few days next week. I'll be off island. I won't be making videos. So the only place that you can get my daily updates on the markets, because next week is gonna be a wild one. At least that's what I'm expecting. You can check out my complete portfolio and daily newsletter. Complete portfolio, again, it's a complete list of everything that I just showed you on the phone, like all my call options, all of my share positions. You want to know when I'm buying, how I'm hedging my portfolio specifically, when I'm going to be taking profits from this, when I think the this correction in the equity indices and the S&P and the Nasdaq is over. That is going to be the first link down below. $15 a month, $40 for every 3 months. And along with that, you get a daily newsletter. So this is part 1 of the daily newsletter. As you guys can see right here, this is the intro where I talk about the trades I made that day. So once again, if any of you guys were able to catch this, if you guys are in the newsletter portfolio, fam, let me know in the comments down below if you caught that VIXY trade, how well you timed it, and we can throw some cheerses down below. Just give you guys a little taste of the trades. Shouldn't do that. But anyway, again, right here, you guys, although this pop seems exciting to many at the moment, personally still lean bearish. This is when the equity indices were up prior to really falling off a cliff. Could be wrong, but I trade on technicals. Technicals are skewing in favor of the downside. Going to take advantage of what can be short-term what I believe will be short-term volatility. Be a shark in these bloody waters, you guys. And again, sometimes in this game, you got to be a shark. You got to be a berry shark. Okay, so technicals, again, trade on technicals. Let's talk some technicals right now. Also, again, you guys, first link down below means a lot if you guys check it out. Got to shout out the Discord as well. A lot of good people in there. Hop in here every day. Talk shop with you guys. Do straight up like Q&As every day in there. So that's going to be the link down below as well. You can use code CRASH50 for 50% off this. $50 off access to this just because I know it's hard times out there. And hook you guys up a little bit. Okay, so anyway, let's talk the S&P and Nasdaq to close it out. And again, you guys, just go look up the VIX for yourself, and I gave you some of the ticker symbols, but always just do your own digging. Don't just buy these blindly because I showed them to you, but understand what they are prior to potentially investing in them for yourself, okay, or trading them, because these are not long-term investments. I want to make that very clear as well. These are trades. These are trades. These are not longs. These are not fundamentally sound companies or stocks, okay? These are trades to protect your wealth while the markets go down. You can make money while everyone else loses money for the most part, except for those who are in the know, okay? Hopefully you guys are. Okay. So S&P 500 did exactly as I expected in the video I posted a couple of days ago. S&P sent back here, touch point here, the base of support on this ascending channel, March of 2021, the top of the base of resistance on this ascending channel, April 2021. Since then, the S&P has been in this beautiful, and very clean ascending channel. Today, actually yesterday, which made me, again, this is what made me pick up these VIX calls today. Yesterday, for the first time in a very long time, in almost a year, we broke below the line of support on this ascending channel. Today, we saw that little bull trap when everything went up and then fell off the cliff. The S&P Nasdaq kicked off the days up like almost 2%, and just over the course of the day really fell off the cliff to close out the trading day. Okay, so bull trap right there, classic bull trap. I was very confident that once this was broken, the fact that Nasdaq broke it a few days back, we'll take a look at that right after this, that the S&P 500 was going to follow suit. And now that this line of support has been broken, I do think more downside is ahead. I won't talk about that, you guys. You can see the targets right there. there. Won't rationalize them much. But again, if you guys want daily updates, if you guys want to know what I'm thinking about the markets, this bad boy right here. Okay, so anyway, the S&P has broken supports, and that is objectively bearish. Again, being a trader, you got to trade off technicals, you got to trade off fundamentals. Cover the fundamentals a lot more in my past 2 videos, so go check those out if you're interested in the fundamental aspects of why I'm bearish as well. But bearish technicals, bearish fundamentals, got to be a bear. Okay, but again, be a shark and try to take advantage of the downside, because there's always a bull market somewhere. Let's close it out with the triple Qs, the Nasdaq on the charts. So again, Nasdaq, you can see here a few days back, did officially break the support on a similar and even more significant ascending channel right here. So the Nasdaq has been in this beautiful ascending channel for even longer. The top point, the first touch point of resistance on this ascending channel, August of 2020, guess September because it's August 31st, September of 2020. First touch point of support, November of 2020. Since then, this is a textbook. This should be, you Google ascending channel, this is what you see in Google images right here of an ascending channel. For the first time in over a year, like a year and a half, the Nasdaq broke the line, broke the resistance, closed a daily candle below the line of support, on this ascending channel. Once I saw that, boom, the puts came out. I shouldn't say the puts, but again, the SQQ calls, the SQQ shares came to play, and I do think these will pay off big time. So again, you guys, if you want to follow what I'm doing going into next week, because again, I'm sorry I won't be here. I'll be out of town, and I cannot record videos where I'm going, at least for a few days. I'll try to hop into by the end of next week. But if you guys do want daily updates every single trading day, you want that daily newsletter, you want to know how I'm trading every day, you want the breakdown of my portfolio, first link down below, the Discord's down there as well. Again, Crash 50 if you want 50% off. And again, if you guys are hurting today, I know it's been rough times, and again, it sucks, but you adapt or you get slapped, okay? And I want you guys to adapt. You know, sometimes hardship builds character, but you know what? Once you have enough character built, that's when you start to take advantage. You grab the bull by the horns and you take advantage of those hardships, okay? And hopefully make some money out of it as well. So let me know in the comments down below, again, if you guys hopped on the VIXY bandwagon, the SQQ bandwagon, the UVXY bandwagon, if you guys are short the market along with me. But if you're not, let me know in the comments down below why you're long and why you still think there might be upside ahead, why you think this analysis is straight trash. Okay, so anyway, look forward to hearing about whatever you have to say in the comments. So I'll see you down there. And until next time, always remember, take action, make waves. Peace.